The successor to Chief Secretary Zuki Ali, whose contract ends this Saturday, will be announced soon, says Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim. During his speech at the Prime Minister's Department's monthly assembly this morning, Anwar had said that the gathering would be Zuki's final one in his role as Chief Secretary. Anwar said Zuki still has other important tasks to undertake within the public service. He also expressed appreciation for Zuki's service, saying his consistent advice, suggestions and insights had been crucial to both the public service and the nation.
Saya ambil kesempatan ini untuk menyatakan penghargaan dan rasa terhutang budi saya. Tapi menjalankan khidmat benar-benar profesional. Hari pertama, nasihat beliau, pandangan beliau, cadangan beliau, itu secara konsisten.
Zuki has been serving as Chief Secretary since December 31st, 2019. He was expected to retire on August 10th, 2022, but was given a 2-year contract extension.